So, we have more foldable phones. Sony is allegedly working on a compact clamshell foldable phone, which pretty much is, by all extent, what we are seeing from every single foldable phone on the market right now. Gizmo China posted this article today, with the article artist being Swami Akanti. Rumors are swirling around Sony's exciting new project. As reports suggest, the tech giant is working on a small, foldable screen phone, potentially reviving its beloved compact series. With no flagship releases catering to smaller sizes since 2018, Sony seems poised to make a big splash in the mobile market once again. Unfoldable, Sony's new venture, a clamshell foldable phone on the horizon. According to Japanese media, Sony's foldable devices will bear resemblance to the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but without an external display. The design choice indicates Sony's commitment to sleek and compact form factor. If the reports hold true, Sony might capitalize on the current trend toward foldable displays, catching up with a mainstream brand like Google and Samsung, who have already ventured into the foldable phone market. Interestingly, some insiders speculate that the Sony's foldable phone could be named Xperia Fold, hinting at a potential focus on gaming capabilities. With the immense popularity of the mobile gaming, it wouldn't be surprising to see Sony leverage its expertise in the gaming industry to create a device optimized for intense gaming experiences. While details about it are currently sparse, we'll find out more information in the future. Yes, Sony, not only are they going to be creating a foldable, flippable cell phone, I should say flippable, not foldable, it will not have an outside display, so it will be a tad bit behind Samsung and Oppo and Motorola on the outside display department, but it's going to be designed for gaming. This is something we saw with the Surface Duo 2, well, the Surface Duo 1 and 2, where, of course, Microsoft made it very clear that they were going to try to optimize as many games as possible for those two devices, going to a point that they were actually using it as an Xbox Game Pass type device. Well, that same concept might not happen like Xbox Game Pass wise, but for the actual gaming purposes, this Sony Flip might actually be very powerful. We could see 12 gigabytes of RAM on this bad boy right here. Probably the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. I don't know how many people are going to be too excited or too amped about gaming on a flippable cell phone. But you never know. I mean, if it can work out pretty well, the Galaxy Z Flip series, I know a lot of people that game on that. Especially if you use a controller and you set it up correctly, it's actually not that bad. But again, this is going to now potentially push the industry in a different direction. Right now, we're seeing all these companies come out and trying to just get in the foldable phone industry. If you can make a really true, amazing, insane gaming type rig, rather than focusing on productivity, maybe that's your in if you're a company looking to get in this industry. But with all that being said, this is going to be expensive. Sony doesn't make cheap products, and I'm not expecting them to start right now. This phone is going to be a high quality phone, but it's going to cost an arm and a leg to go ahead and pick up. Right now, flippable phones are retailing for anywhere from $800 to $1,200. It's the MSRP for every foldable phone on the market. This could be looking in the ballpark range of $1,500 to $1,600, which would put it in the ballpark range of a foldable cell phone. So, but if it does come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and a lot of other really good bells and whistles, it might potentially be worth it. It all depends on what Sony decides to put in this device to make it that ultimate compact gaming device. Sony, the ball is in your court. And just like you've done many times in the past, you've already beaten out Microsoft. Now it's time to beat out other competitors. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Peace out.